This is a quick giveaway for gaming PC, a free game PC worth about 3,200 from Gaming PC Bundle Limited, a company that is offering all these specs on hand. If you can see the screen, you will see that they're offering quite a beefy computer with a 32 gig of RAM. That's so a lot of RAM, and i7 Intel with a 12 gig of whooping RTX 3080 with a 2 terabyte of M.2 Gen 4 with 18 terabyte. Oh my days, terabyte of hard drive. It's just insane. And a whooping Corsair 1000 watts power supply, which it's overkill, so yeah, it's a free gaming PC. Who want a free gaming PC? Just follow and enter, I guess. Hope you guys win as well. Take care. Adios. I'm gonna do other videos as well. Check it out, guys.